Riverflow 2.0 is now live in FLORA. Ship product shots and marketing visuals with a model that has Nano Banana level accuracy. Here are 2 workflows made with Riverflow 2.0. Connect your character reference and the items to a new image block and select Riverflow 2.0 Pro. Riverflow 2.0 Fast is offered at a cheaper price and gives faster results. Repeat the same steps for other sets and run all together. Using the same workflow logic, you can also make product mockup shots. Connect your product reference and the background to a new image block and select Riverflow 2.0 Pro. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.